Welcome! In this lesson, we will build an intuitive understanding of Python strings and the most common string functions. We'll move step by step with clear visuals and small examples. First, what is a string? In Python, a string is a sequence of characters. You can write it with single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes for multi-line text. Strings are text, so they are perfect for names, messages, or any human-readable information. Now, indexing and slicing. Think of a string as boxes of characters in order. Indexing uses zero-based positions. The first character is index 0. The last character is index -1. Slicing takes a range, start up to but not including end. 3 super common operations: concatenation with plus, repetition with star, and membership using the word in. Strings are immutable, so methods always return new strings. Here are the most common ones, with quick visual examples. Formatting lets you combine variables and text neatly. The 3 main styles are f-strings, the format method, and %formatting. Let's put things together in a tiny but practical function called summarize. It trims extra spaces, capitalizes the first letter, and truncates to 50 characters. Now, let's watch it clean a messy sentence step by step. Summary. Strings are sequences of characters. You can index and slice them, combine and test them, and use powerful, easy-to-remember methods to transform and format them. The key idea is that strings are immutable, so every method returns a new string. To avoid overlapping text, we presented each idea on its own clean card. Feel free to pause and review any card as you practice these tools.